Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this trending freeze frame video edit on CapCut PC. So we're just going to freeze frame the beginning and we're going to go to text here, and I'm just going to add in this text. Make sure it has like some sort of animation, I guess, to it. And you're just going to copy and paste the text here, and I'm also going to make the freeze frame a little bit smaller. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click, create compound clip. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Like that. And then I will then split it. Why is the same bit gone? Hold on, let me just freeze frame that part. Okay, there we go. Alright. Now when you're done, you're just going to add in a keyframe at the beginning of your text. And like when it moves, you're going to go with the flow of your video. So I'm going to actually put mine like down here, because like the video kind of like goes like in this way. So then you are going to go to filters, and actually let's just go to adjustments first and add in custom adjustments like here. And I'm going to add in some like grains to it. Hopefully you can see that. And then I'm going to add a keyframe to the particles from 100. And then like kind of here, I want it to go to 0. I also want to add in like a filter as well. Get one that like is very different to the video. Like this color is very different. And you're going to want to add a keyframe here. Wait, where is it? Oh yeah, the keyframe here at 100. And when it goes to like here, maybe put it at 0. And that is pretty much it, really. Also go to the text here, go to animation, out, and then add in a little bit of fade out, like so. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.